Welcome guys, I'm back with another awesome tutorial for you guys. So in this video I'm gonna be talking about how to fix your black screen when your screen doesn't want to turn on anymore. And I'm gonna be saying there are two methods of solving this. So without further notice, let's get into the video so that I show you guys how to go about it. But first, if you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe, like, share to reach more people so that other people's problem can be solved as you are also about to solve your own. Okay, so here is my iPhone. I'm using an iPhone X which comes with 256 gigabytes. It's been a while now and I have been facing this kind of dark problem whereby my phone doesn't want to on again. So if you are facing this kind of problem, what you have to do, some of the times the charger we use for our phone, our mobile phone or our iPhones are the cause of this. When you face this problem, what you have to do quickly, you have to get a new charger from either the vendor or the Apple store, anywhere around your location. Okay, so after you've gotten the charger, you have to try this method I'm about to show you. First step, you have to switch your charger, the first one, for reason that was not able to power up your iPhone for you. You have to switch it to the new one you just bought from the store. And here lies the case. I'm going to be demonstrating for you guys to see what I mean. This is my charger. I'm going to be plugging it in. Make sure when you plug your charger, you wait for about 30 minutes for it to on. As you guys can see, here is it. My phone has shown my Apple logo. That means my phone will be able to on within few minutes. As you guys can see, the screen is back. This is method 1. And then the second method is okay. So for the second method, we have to force restart our iPhone. What do I mean by force restarting the iPhone? When you want to force restart your iPhone, we have 3 buttons in this iPhone. We have the volume up, which is the first one right here, and then we have the volume down. When we turn it like this, we have the side button. So what you have to do on your phone, you press this first volume up once, you press the volume down to once, and then you press this one for long. Let's wait and see. As you guys can see, you can see that the Apple logo is also there. That means it's about to on. These are the methods that you can use to power up your phone when you have the same problem. So make sure you give me a thumbs up. You drop down the method that works for your phone in the comment section. Thank you.